I have a very interesting question, which is how to increase engagement with your mobile app through custom features. Now, having an app is great, but having a very engaging app is even more important. When you have an app, the first milestone is sort of achieved. Now you have something that you can attract people. But in order for people to come to your app and use it on a long run and to stay connected with your product even more, you got to make it really, really engaging. If your app isn't engaging, after a certain time, your customer is gonna lose that spark, that attention, and then they're gonna find something different. In order for you to make your application engaging, you really need to understand where your customer spends the most amount of time and how you can make that specific activity more engaging and how you can add more features to that activity. Now, we run an application called WeFast. It is a fasting community app where people can install the app, they can track their fasting, and they can engage with other people that are fasting. Now, the most engaging part of the app that we built was the community part. When we built the application, community was never a part of the application. But as the app evolved, we realized that not a lot of people just use the tools in the app. They want something more. And we received a lot of feedback around what would work for our mobile application. And that's where we introduced communities to our application. When we introduce communities, now each time somebody have achieved a milestone in the app, there is an option to share that achievement with other people in the community. And when people share that achievement in the community, they get a lot of responses from the community members, a lot of people applauding them of whatever the achievement that they have done. Now each time somebody likes and comments on those posts, they are inviting that user back to the app. Now this is what keeps your app engaging for longer. Now, this is just one example. There are so many different ways apps engage their customers for longer, and if your app isn't really engaging the customers for longer, you really gotta think about all the different ways you can attract customer and how you can engage them more on your mobile application. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.